The 2025 Subaru Crosstrek Adventure stands as a versatile and rugged compact SUV, maintaining Subaru's tradition of seamlessly blending style, performance, and practicality. Poised to captivate both adventure enthusiasts and city commuters, it boasts a distinctive design and well-honed capabilities. Drawing on the triumphs of its predecessors, this crossover is poised to include Subaru's esteemed Symmetrical All-Wheel Drive, ensuring exceptional traction and stability across diverse terrains and weather conditions. Anticipate an efficient and capable powertrain in the upcoming Subaru Crosstrek, harmonizing fuel efficiency with robust performance. Subaru's hallmark boxer engine, renowned for its low center of gravity and its contribution to improved handling, is expected to be a prominent feature. Inside the 2025 Crosstrek, a spacious and comfortable environment awaits, replete with cutting-edge technology and safety features. Upholding Subaru's dedication to safety, advanced driver assistance systems and a meticulously crafted cabin prioritizing convenience and safety are to be expected. The forthcoming Subaru Crosstrek is poised to showcase a cabin with a spacious and ergonomic design, offering ample headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. Premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and meticulous attention to detail will create a luxurious ambience within the interiors. While significant changes in the 2025 Subaru Crosstrek are not anticipated, Subaru Motor traditionally introduces each model year with minor modifications and some new features. Hence, the next Subaru Crosstrek may incorporate enhancements and safety features compared to the 2024 model. Although Subaru Motor has not disclosed the release date for the next Subaru Crosstrek, the 2024 model year is scheduled for an early release, potentially before May. Consequently, the next Subaru Crosstrek is likely to debut in early 2025. Details regarding the pricing and trims of the next Subaru Crosstrek remain undisclosed by Subaru Motor. However, knowledge about the 2024 Subaru Crosstrek, available in 4 trims, Base, Premium, Sport, and Limited, with prices ranging from $26,290 to $32,190, suggests that the 2025 model may feature similar trims with a slight price increase.